We will use a clip remover tool like this and we'll punch in the tool on the top right there to take out that plastic cover. There's that plastic cover pulled out. Behind the plastic cover, we will take out the first screw using a Phillips screwdriver. There's that first screw taken out. Right where we took out this screw, there's another screw underneath that also needs to be taken out using Phillips screwdriver. This way the angle of screwdriver is not straight, so I'll just be taking out the handle and we'll take out the screw like that. There's the second screw taken out as well. Right where the switch panel is, notice there is that cover right there that we have to pull out. I will be using a tool like this. We'll punch in the tool in the corner and then pull that cover outwards. While taking out this cover, I noticed this cover actually does not come out completely and it is actually part of the door panel itself. But as much as we have pulled out the cover, notice there is that one screw that needs to be taken out, and while holding the cover with the other tool, we will use a screwdriver to take that screw outwards. And there it is, we got the third screw taken out as well. Notice from the underneath side, I will be using a tool like this and then we'll punch in the same tool underneath the door panel, then slightly pull out the door panel outwards. Just like that. We'll also pull out the door panel from left side and then right side. Once the door panel is pulled out from all over, only then we will grab the door panel and then slightly lift it upwards. Just like that, the door panel is pulled out. Now we need to take out the inner door handle from behind the door panel. The best way to pull out the handle is just grab it from the edge like I did and then pull it outwards. And there you notice we were able to take out the door handle completely just like that. We will keep it like that, and notice underneath there is one big plug that needs to be taken out. Here I'm showing from a different angle, and this is that plug that I was talking about. It has a tab right here. What we'll do is we'll press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. Just like that, the plug is taken out. And again, just to show you guys, this is that tab right there. Press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. With that final plug taken out, this wraps up the takeout for this door panel. Now in case if you need to put back this door panel, just reverse the steps of takeout and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.